Hello, it's Abyssful here against your dispute against Tolerance 1v1 bolts. Yeah, with your dispute against Zach. Okay. I have the lobby read up and it's 12:49. I have the lobby set up and I'm gonna like spam him with invites. Not really, but I want him to get to the game. See, sent invite. Just gonna click on his game card. Gonna invite him to game. Then it says the game site insane. I'm sending a message saying to join, please, because you know gotta use your words. Send message. A text. G O I N. It's not a G. It's a J. Because babbling. It's cold. It says join. Yeah. So I'm gonna send him another invite to game. Yeah, just derp and run. It's 12:50. But since I kind of started this video a little late, yeah, I'm gonna give him to 12:51. I'm a nice guy. I'm inviting him to game. Game invite sent. So yeah. Yeah, that's just the thingamabobber on the computer. Hijack Plaza. 12:50, yeah. Invite to game. Sent. Invite to game. Invite to game. Why won't you let me invite? Yeah, she's just by myself. Oh, don't want to do that. Wrong button. So yeah, just I guess he forfeits for no show. Yeah, really exciting GB here. Well, let's invite him. Invite the game. I got a little notification. I'll invite him to game on here. Another notification. So yeah, and it's like 51 right now. So that's a thing. I guess he just doesn't want to go to show up. So I guess I win by default here, 2-0. Yeah. So thank you for solving my dispute, and don't forget I love you all. And yeah, he wants me to send. Yeah, so yeah. Yes, that's my friends list. There's a lot of people on here that are scrubs, but you know, then again, they're really cool. But so yeah, I love you all. And have a great time.